you so much for the invitation of being here with also dear friends who participated to this initiative. I said this is a very easy talk on a very difficult task, so increasing venous awareness and compression awareness. I have no conflicts of interest, to be clear, even if at the end of the talk maybe you will notice that I have some conflicts, but I will disclose them at the end. According to the literature, we should do these initiatives, and it has been reported back in the last 15 years that there is the need of increasing the awareness, and it has been reported also that we are dealing here with the first preventable cause of death, talking about venous thromboembolism. So bringing this awareness has been reported in the literature. And the CDC reported also the need of having these events done in an adequate way. Because if you think about this, every single day we should be aware of something. There is an awareness day about whatever, 200 days of awareness according to the literature. But there is a very nice paper by Abrams showing all the weak points of these events that we are having in our squares, downtowns, where they are promoting, for example, awareness. And it is basically about the communication process that we are having with our patients and the feedback we can get from them. So you will see at the end of this talk how we try to solve the issues that are reported by these papers. So we went on nice venues, like golf courses, bringing people that are golfers and not golfers together, trying to increase venous awareness. The gentleman you see over here is Anatole France. He was saying that real learning happens just where we are having fun. And I really enjoyed the talk that previously was done by a colleague from Belgium, because I do think that indeed the patient and the people should work with us on this, together also with the institutions that endorse these kind of activities of ours, like important scientific societies and the Olympics Committee and the Rotary. This is the logo of these events. It's a thrombillers, so it's the killer of the thrombosis. You see that there is a red part for the artery, the blue part is veins, and then there is a heart, and there is the cuff activation with the walking. Of course, we studied in Italy. We studied with some colleagues and professors. You see we were like wearing white coats on golf courses. People who were having fun were also indeed participating to these activities. You recognize over here very probably our colleague Kathy Gibson. She's addressing a banner. The banner is actually the answer to one of the 18 questions we put into a questionnaire. So every banner was dedicated to different colleagues and different messages. There is also a banner dedicated to Terry, of course, who is here, and other friends who are here with us too. You recognize some friends from Argentina and from US over here. There are two questionnaires we created, one for the physicians, because as we said before, it's important to bring awareness also to our colleagues of different specialties, and one for the population. Now this questionnaire is online, and I really invite you to use it. It's of course for free. You just get into the website, and the interesting part it is that it's actually a little bit of a revision of the literature about compression, because every time you click true or false to the question, which is in 3 languages already, you have the paper, the abstracts, telling you and the patients why it is exactly like we are reporting. The nice thing is that while